Oh, Chippy, you got a package being delivered.
Oh, no way! What's inside? Jeez, it's the new Play-Doh set. Steph, can you tell me about it?
Oh, Chippy, Play-Doh lets the kids take the lid off their imagination with fun themes and hairstyles by offering 6 other colors: blue, purple, green, pink, yellow, orange, and a daddy, a mommy, and a baby.
So let's open it up and play. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and start with Daddy. I'm gonna use orange. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the Play-Doh out. We're gonna put it right in here. Let's put a little extra in there, okay? Nice. Now, we're gonna put them on the chair, like so. And then we're gonna just go ahead and crank this down. Oh, here we go. Wow, check it out. Look at all that Play-Doh. We're gonna go ahead and put the mold right here on. Squeeze it, pull it off, and wow, he's got a mohawk. Now let's go ahead and like trim him up, Play-Doh. And there he is. Now let's go ahead and we gotta crank it back down. Once it's there, you can slide out Daddy and put him over to the side and play with him. Now let's do Mommy. We're gonna use purple. So let's go ahead and get all the purple out of here. Wow, nice. And we're gonna go ahead and put everything we can inside here. Nice. And then put it on the chair. And then we're gonna go ahead and get our hair going. Check it out. How cool is that? Yeah. Cool. Now that we got that, let's go ahead and give her a mold of hair. So let's pull her hair up. Like so. Here we go. Neato. I mean, that's Play-Doh for you, you know? Just squeeze it and then open it up. Wow, check it out. Mommy looks beautiful. But what we're gonna do is, we're gonna go ahead and rotate this down. And pull her out and put her to the side. Now let's do the baby. He wants to have blue hair. So let's go ahead, grab all the Play-Doh out of here, push it inside, right here. Okay, put him in the chair, and then watch this go. Wow, what? So much Play-Doh. Let's go ahead and take this off, right here. Slide him off, and let's just go ahead and just trim up his hair with these little nifty scissors. Here we go. Boop, boop. And go ahead and style it. Give him a little wave right there. There we go.